Saving seed from year to year is a lot easier than you think it is. This is Larkspur. It's that beautiful, it's a delphinium looking flower. It's purple. It comes in pink too. What I usually do is I let this dry right on the plant, and then I bring it into the greenhouse, get a little bit more dry, and then I just shake it out, and then these little black seeds, I don't know if you can see these or not, but these little black seeds here fall out, and you can use them the next year. And sometimes I just sprinkle them right now in the spring, in the summer, and they come right up again next spring. And sometimes I'll just wait and I'll sprinkle them again in the early spring. Now I'm just going to take my Larkspur, as you can see right here in the bottom. They're little black seeds, and I'm just going to sprinkle them around. It's July right now, and that's when the seed pods came along on the Larkspur, and I just took the seeds out, and I'm going to sprinkle them, and they'll come right back next spring.